This is the Wildflower Bee Farm Report for Saturday, July 25th, 2020. I have two videos today of different hives. This is a top bar hive. And I want you to just slowly watch. There's an opening at the top, you'll see near that one end, and there's an opening at the other end down here. The rest is blocked off because on our hives we have very small openings as they would find in nature. And you can watch it. When you watch this, isolate on a bee coming in and watch how they end up making their way back into the hive. There's that small piece of grass, and occasionally you'll see a bee get whacked there. Now, this is our second hive, and I want you to, again, focus on bees coming in and focus on one just to see their journey from the time they get into view until they get back into the hive. The bees are very excited because we're looking at different types of clovers right now. We have Balanza clover that's almost finished. We have white sweet clover, Hubam, that's just starting to produce, and the bees are just starting to get into that. And we also have crimson clover, and throughout the bush there's selected Alsike clover, and they're quite excited. We had two hives this week that we had to help because they had produced so much honey they had no place. There was no place left for the queen to lay eggs, so we took a little bit off, gave them a little bit of a break. We also split some hives so that tomorrow, for the first time, we're going to have queen cells come in, and we're going to put in queen cells in these split hives to do what are called late season splits. And that will allow the queen to begin to lay eggs and create a large group, large enough to hopefully get through the winter and take advantage of the clover that's coming on. And just as with the previous hive, have a look at what happens when they come in and watch them through their journey. Now, in this hive, we have an opening, an entrance right in the middle. And it's a small entrance, something that they would find in nature, and the rest has been blocked off for them so that they're able to protect that from predators, but also take advantage of that spot and sort of go right in. Because remember, the brood hive, or where the queen is laying eggs, is generally directly opposite to that entrance. So in this case, the queen and the nest should be right straight through. So they'll just come in through there, bring in pollen, whatever they have to do, or if they have to climb up into the upper level to put in their nectar. So the bees are quite excited because remember, when the clover is finished, the different clovers, in about 6 weeks it'll still be blooming, but then we're going to have goldenrod. And we can all already see the goldenrod budding out, and bees absolutely love goldenrod as a provider of nectar and pollen to overwinter. So you can see, again, keep an eye on some bees as they come in. I've slowed it down somewhat for you, and just watch their path as they go in, and then quickly others come out and take off to get more pollen, nectar, water, and propolis to take care of each other. Enjoy this. Again, I'm Henry from the Wildflower Bee Farm. Look forward to talking to you again soon. Have an amazing week.